Do you want to be the puppet or the puppeteer of your life, in your life, in existence? Topic inspired by recovering from my YouTube ban and me moving onto Rumble. So I just got off a, I don't know, 3-week ban, I think. And I forget what the exact um, fucking YouTube commentary was. Notice it was something like for hate speech or cyberbullying. And I thought, let me go back to work. Went to the shop, made a couple bucks, checked in with the business partner. And again, I keep a lot of stuff private because I know from my first banning on Facebook, I remember there's artwork that I have that people found offensive as hate speech on that Facebook account, then showing a nipple too, a nipple that I had drawn, not even a photo. And I was like, all right. All of a sudden, Facebook just deleted my account, and what that did, it made me go in and focus on more art shows in person. And what I would tell people, well, what's your Instagram? What's your Facebook? I said, no, it got deleted. Some sensitive ass motherfuckers got butt hurt. But what I draw, I was like, what did you draw? No, these drawings right here, these paintings, these printouts right here, these. All right, which ones? Probably all of them. And as I've sold printout shirts and caps, it's okay, it's sold out. And people were like, oh, really? And I'm talking about, white women in nice neighborhoods are like, really? That's offensive? I'm like, that's interesting. But yeah, they just made me think, you know what? I'll keep this what it has shown me is that, well, YouTube is not your friend for the truth. They'll let me post some shit, but they want that fucking the vibe that they want is the whole. There's one YouTube channel or family that I dislike because they're like, oh, welcome my YouTube family. I forget how the videos came out on my feed, but I just downvoted it. I didn't give it no hate speech, no threats like, no, fuck you guys are corny or whatever. I just downvoted the video. I thought, this is not real. This is not life. And the reason I say that it's not life is because there was just one homeless dude that I bought him lunch a couple times. Give him his good morning. Like, hey man, let's go grab something to eat, man. I got it. Let's go right here. Let's go to the grocery store. Let's go shopping, man. What do you want, man? I'll get you something later. And And the dude gives me the vibe of he's been hurt so much in the head. Like, yeah, I'll just continue eating all the trash. He doesn't seem mentally ill. And I just see him eating from the trash over and over, even though I bought him food at least twice already. There's other homeless in the area that I don't help out because they're just fucking literally just saying, "Oh my goodness, the fucking world, I'm gonna kill you. Oh my goodness, this world is so horrible. God damn it." I see them sitting down, and I don't get my dogs near those people because I'm like, yeah, these guys could snap. I've seen other homeless people that say, "Come here, motherfucker, you and that fucking dog. I'll fucking kill you." And I'm like, all right, let me call the cops on this guy. Because I'm thinking, all right, well, obviously don't run. That's a motherfucking bitch ass motherfucker run. Let me just call right here. Yeah, what's he wearing? Jeans, short, dark blue shirt. 6'1", 6'2", dark skin. He's got a a metal pole in his hand, and the one end of it, the one that he's pointing towards me, is sharpened. So it's a spear, and he's already mentioned that he's want to kill me and that fuck me and my dog. So I suggest you come here because if he doesn't get me, I'm cool. I'll fight back. I can either run or fight. He's gonna hurt someone. He's here on an alley that's connected to a main street that has a lot of people there. So you see kids coming in and out of that down the street. More family-owned businesses down there. So I suggest you hurry. I just got sidetracked with that thought right there because I know plenty of people. I've seen it many times. Enough times I could just recognize the behavior of a coward. More of, that's not my problem. Well, I'm safe. Let someone else fight them back. There was these new burglars I've seen in the area. And I'm like, alrighty. Well, how do you know they're burglars, you racist? Well, an Amazon driver has on their Amazon vest. UPS driver has a UPS uniform. UPS, Amazon. You probably heard them countless of times on this channel in the background. Uber Eats, Grubhub. Put down the food, take a picture, leave. But when one piece of shit, two pieces of shit come down the sidewalk, one stands on the sidewalk with a face mask on, and the other one jumps over the fence, jumps over a gate to pretend to look around on someone's porch and then look around and pretend to knock on it, but they don't because there's no sound, none of them knocking, but they make the motion of it. And they're still looking around. Yeah, these fuckers are waiting for the opportunity to go in. But since they see people, since they've seen that they've been noticed, we're just gonna stand by. And it's funny the conversations I've had with cops. Like, yeah, dude, this area is just getting crazy, man. I'm just looking at the crime statistics in this area where I'm at. And I want to say that 12 and a half. It's about to be 12 and a half years since crime has almost, I think, minimum 200%, in some cases 400% increase. The only thing that's gone down, the only thing that's gone down in this area, I want to say, is murder. We still have shootings, and what's skyrocketed is armed robbery. So that doesn't include the fucking pistol whips that people have gotten to the fucking eye socket, broken arms, getting crushed by cars, stolen cars, or getting their fucking sexually assaulted, and all the people that just don't report crimes. But alright, that yellow's growing on me now. Let me wipe this off here. There's a train of thought here. Coming off this strike, I just know that wipe this off here. I have had to I'm gonna tone it down a bit on these videos, just because again, I don't doubt that I'll get deleted soon. Someone could say, "Can't believe you said this or that," because I've already got a strike for cyberbullying or hate speech. I thought, nah, you know what? Let me I never said to join any sort of organization, stand up, commit acts of violence against these people or that group, or stand with this group or go with that group. I have criticized people for basically saying things and not doing things, for not not sweeping their own sidewalk. I think it's probably be one of the best analogies there, because I do think that something about a sidewalk says a lot about a person, a home, an area. But with people just I think what I was saying, something about this one YouTube channel that put a downvote on their videos, because what they do say a lot is, "Oh, welcome YouTube family, thank you for being here." And I thought, bitch, you're only saying that for the views and the likes and the subscribes. And me, it may be a bit I'm not so warm and fuzzy on these videos. But when I've helped out, again, homeless and that shit, I don't invite them to my home or say, "Oh, here's my wallet," or "Let me buy you brand new clothes, everything." Oh, fuck that, man. I'm like, "Hey, look, I'm going to grab something. You want something?" Or, "Hey, the grocery store's right here. Let's go grab something." Why? Because it's just a fucking another human being. But with these motherfuckers that dress all pretty and nice and are just about, look at me, I'm at home with my family, we're in our new jacuzzi, we just got a new theater room. And to me, when I watch movies, especially when I watch the news at times, and some dumb fuck says, "Wow, there was a police chase just like in the movies. Man, that was an accident just like the movies. It was an explosion just like the movies. It was an act of violence just like the movies." And I thought, if your stupid ass just looks at movies, you're surprised by that. If you really want to be surprised, read history books, read nonfiction. one book that I had to stop reading because it was a lot, and was IBM and the Holocaust. Because as I was reading that, I thought, wait a minute. So some way, somehow, you can have business with the Third Reich, maintain those profits, profits, escalate death, and still maintain your business up, up into this millennium, up to present date. And no one talks about that. I was like, what the fuck am I watching? But people will, you know what's a sad video again? The one that I saw with that straw was in the tortoise's nose, found at sea. And so it's like, fuck, that's not the straw manufacturer's fault. That's the piece of shit motherfucker. I'm guessing a little slimy bitch or a little drunk bitch going by the beach and throwing her shit out the fucking car window, or the little fucking shit that's at the beach. Like, mommy, I want to go to the beach and play with collect seashells and play with the volleyball. I'm so tired of my front yard and my swimming pool. I need to go to the beach. Yes, honey, we go. And we better go to Starbucks. That's just a guess right there. I don't know for sure. But, when there's all these different sorts of environments, classes, lifestyles, cities, zip codes, cultures, I'm thinking about a 40-minute drive from Malibu to, let's say, East LA. Now, how about this? Even 35 minutes from Skid Row to Malibu. Same species, humans. I guarantee you that you'll see things that are like, no way, dude, that's real. But one time seeing a dude, I'm gonna try to describe, because I didn't want to look at it too closely, but it looked like he was picking the flesh out of his stomach, or picking the fat out of it on the public street in daylight. And I was like, what the fuck? What's the latest? This other lazy homeless fuck. I think what gets to me is that he fucking steals shit. There's two motherfuckers, a black one and an actual white guy. And they both steal shit, leave a mess in the fucking area, and the cops are like, well, we can't put them in jail because, there's no one. The store doesn't want to press charges because they don't know what they stole. And I thought, it's got their fucking security sensor on the shit. Oh, but you see, they don't know what sort of inventory. What the fuck? And someone else gives them food and they eat like fucking, I've seen bears that, eat, bears and raccoons that eat out of garbage bins that make less of a fucking mess on the street. But yeah, when there are people like that give you this whole, I'm gonna give you it's probably the video, my following video should be like this. Let me give you the YouTube that YouTube wants me to give you, the only correct one, which is this. 3, 2, 1, action. Hello, YouTube. Oh my goodness, thank you for being here. finished drawing this Kanye West bear from the graduation album onto these shoes, aka a canvas. We're using neon paradise purple here, Angelus paint. So we're going to put a trim on here so that the shoes have a break on the panels. Oh my goodness, I just made a boo-boo right there. And do it with this brush, which is already having its the hair split. And then wipe this stuff off here. Alright, gotta be careful with that yellow I just put on there. And I start to whisper, I notice that when I am doing the smaller details, somehow my brain thinks I'm being quieter. I could be more still and more accurate. But anyways, yeah, so we're here painting on here. Use your pinky here to stabilize your hand, and let's go for it. It's so much fun. I had such a fun weekend. Just had a walk with my dog, and we just saw the beautiful Los Angeles scenery. Oh my god, so many people working on their lawns. Oh my goodness, it was just party going on in the area, drinking and partying, a lot of laughter. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing to be alive nowadays. So that's what YouTube wants, right? I'm gonna go on a dog walk soon again. Just my dogs, one particularly likes to see in the world. But I know that there are people that don't pick up their dog shit. Very likely I'm gonna see someone that's gonna think about robbing me. Think. I'll probably walk by someone's home, more than one home. We'll have guard dogs or dogs that are just locked up while the owners just Netflix and chill. And their fucking animals just become unnatural. Just become territorial and angry and just fucking want to rip me apart with their dogs, with my dogs. I think, fuck, dude, there's no think of garbage, think of stress. Neighborhood watch. All these things that need to be addressed. When I go on dog walks, I think there's this one mega cunt, super fucking religious bitch, hustling her shit at the corners with some other dumb fucks. Come join our church and think. Tell this bitch to fucking stop leaving dog shit all over the fucking area. Littering. Nasty ass bitch. Stop fucking mad dogging people. So I'm looking at motherfuckers like she wants to fight them. So I'm thinking, I'm not gonna touch her, do shit to her. But I tell you what, me, even when I've had superior firepower, the guard dogs, fucking, it was just more people. I don't fucking just look at down on someone. What, motherfucker? What? What are you gonna do about it? Fuck no. Nope. In LA, it's a very small universe, small world, small planet. But when people believe that I'm king of the world, from Jack and Titanic. But yes, that's what YouTube wants. Make you forget what the fuck's out there. Not just I'll say that if I don't highlight or mention the problems and challenges, the destruction, deterioration of even just this amazing city, the potential of what could be an amazing city. What good is it that I just rub your belly, massage your back, until everything's all right, everything's okay? Like, no, it's not. It is not. But such is life. And then the UFOs I've been seeing. Hope you like those. Sometimes I do think, what else is out there? I'm trying to think that they're not from other parts of the solar system or outer space. I do believe that these things are interdimensional. They're from another dimension. So they could be from Earth, but Earth from another world or something like Earth. Because I don't see them coming and going. I see them at times appearing. So, all right, that's it for now.